is verbal reasoning questions. Guys, i-perfect nyo to guys. So let's see kung kaya na to i-perfect. So our first question is, it is a fact that the world consists of various people whom attitude and behavior are totally unpredictable. No error. What is your answer? May error ba o walang error? Mayroong error dito guys. That is number 2. Dapat kasi is whose ang gagamitin dyan. It is a fact that the world consists of various people whose attitude and behavior are totally unpredictable. Okay? Question number 2. Please wait for me because I will be at Pasay next week. No error. What is your answer? May error ba or walang error? Mayroong error dito guys. May error dito guys ha. That is number 4. Dapat in Pasay next week. Please wait for me because I will be in Pasay next week. To guys, in, on, at saka at. Ito guys is not specific. Ito naman specific. Ito very specific. This is very specific. So, ang in, ginagamit siya usually countries, cities, pwede rin town, and continent. Again, country, cities, town, continent. Example, in the Philippines, in Korea, in Manila, in Pasay, in Bulacan, and continent like in Antarctica, in America, ganyan. Basta in, not specific. Ang on naman, specific. Usually, ginagamit siya mga street, avenue, mga ganyan. Street, avenue. Example, Macapagal Avenue, Maharlika Street. Nakukuha? Again, ang on, specific, usually street at saka avenue. Ang at naman, usually, mga number. Okay? Number ng street. Okay? Again, ang at naman ay very specific, usually, mga number yan ng street. Okay? Number ng street. Example, number 183 street. At 183 street. At number 12 Rojas Avenue. Mga ganyan. I hope that is clear. Again, ang in, not specific. Ang on, specific. Ang at, very specific. Usually, ginagamit siya yung may number sa mga street tsaka mga may number sa avenue, mga avenue. Okay? I hope that is clear. Next question. Either the teacher or the students take care of the books. No error. What is your answer? May error ba o walang error? No error, guys. Tama yan. Okay? Tama yan. No error. Neither Leo or Edward is going to the party. No error. What is your answer? May error ba o walang error? May error. And that is number 2. Dapat nor Edward. Okay? Neither Leo nor Edward is going to the party. Explain natin. Basta neither tsaka nor magka-partner yan. Dito naman is ang either tsaka or magka-partner. Either tsaka or magka-partner. Okay? Now, ano bang treatment nito with regard sa subject-verb agreement? Ang neither nor is ang subject, mag-agree siya sa closer sa or ang verb, sorry, ang neither nor ang verb, mag-agree siya sa closer sa subject. Okay? That is closer sa subject. Ito naman ang either or. Ang verb, mag-agree siya sa closer sa subject. Again, ang neither nor, mag-agree ang verb sa closer sa subject. Ang either nor, mag-agree ang verb kung saan siya mas malapit sa subject. Okay? Example, ito. Ang verb, closer siya sa students. Ang students, plural. Kaya, take care. Plural form din ang verb natin. Okay? Hindi yung teacher. Kasi malayo siya sa subject. Itong verb, malayo siya sa subject. Okay? I hope that is clear. Basta either or, ang verb, mag-agree siya sa closer sa subject, which is the student. Same pa rin dito. Is going is correct because si Edward ay singular. Okay? I hope this is clear. So next question. Mathematics enhance my analytical skills and helps me a lot to improve my logical ability. No error. What is your answer? May error? Wala. May error ito, guys. May error. Okay? And that is number 2. Dapat enhances my mathematics, enhances my analytical skills, and helps me a lot to improve my logical ability. Sir, bakit enhances ang mathematics may S? Guys, may mga words although it looks like or it seems like plural kasi nag-end siya ng S, but it is actually treated technically as singular. Kaya dapat singular rin ang verb natin. Kaya dito, mathematics enhances. Okay? Hindi enhance. Another example is news. Ang news guys is same treatment sa mathematics na although nag-end sila ng S, they are still treated as singular. Kaya ang verb nila ay singular form din. Okay? I hope that is clear.